The sliding process can be repeated until all the marbles are gone. And then we are left with a tableau, not a skew tableau, but really a tableau then, that contains all these boxes. This final tableau is called a rectification of this skew tableau. And the process getting there is also known as jeu de taquin. Okay, let's play the jeu de taquin. There are 3 inside corners here. Now we pick one of the inside corners, let's say this one, and say we want to remove this. So we look at the 2 and the 4, and we have to move the smaller number here. Now the marble hasn't left the diagram. We still have something below, nothing to the right, but something below. So we have to move the 6 up here, and now it's been moved out and we can remove it from the diagram. We created a new inside corner in this process, by the way, this one here. Now let's pick some other inside corner, for example this one here. So if we want to move this out of the tableau, then we have the 2 2s, and if they are the same, we move up. Now we have 5 and 3, so we have to move the 3 here, and now there's only 5 which has to move up, and the marble moved down here and can be removed from the tableau. There are 2 more inside corners. Here's an inside corner. If we want to move this out, the 2 moves up, and now we have 5 and 6, so the 5 moves up and the marble is gone, and we created a new inside corner here. Let's remove any of these. Let's say we remove this one, so the 2 slides up, the 3 slides up, and the 5 slides up, and the marble can be removed. Now there's only one inside corner left, it's this one here, so we have to move the 2 here, and now 4 or 6 we have to move the 4 up. Here's the new inside corner, the unique one in this case. So comparing the 2 2s means we have to move the 2 up, we slide it up. Now the 4 slides to the left, and then there's only the 6 which slides up here. And here's our last inside corner. Again we compare 2 2s, so the 2 moves up, 3 4, the 3 moves up, 2 5s, so the 5 moves up. This is a rectification of the original skew diagram which we started from. Now the funny thing is, it doesn't matter which inside corners we pick. We can do this in any order, and we will always end up with this tableau here. Try this.